Once upon a time, there was a student named Sarah who was always stressed out during exams. She would spend countless hours studying and preparing for a test, but come exam day, she would freeze up and forget everything she had learned. One day, Sarah decided that enough was enough. She was tired of feeling anxious and stressed out during exams, and she was determined to find a way to overcome her fear and perform better. She began by researching different strategies for reducing stress and anxiety, and she found that there were many different techniques that could be helpful. Some people suggested practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation, while others recommended creating a study schedule to help manage time and reduce overwhelm. Sarah decided to try a combination of these techniques. She started by setting up a study schedule that allowed her to review her notes and prepare for exams in a more structured way. This helped her to feel more organized and prepared, which in turn reduced her stress levels. She also began practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and visualization to help calm her nerves before exams. She found that taking a few deep breaths and picturing herself doing well on the test helped to ease her anxiety and improve her performance. As she continued to implement these strategies, Sarah noticed that she was feeling much more confident and relaxed during exams. She was able to stay focused and recall the information she had studied, even under pressure. Over time, Sarah became known as one of the top performers in her class. Her classmates often came to her for advice on how to reduce stress during exams, and she was happy to share the strategies that had worked so well for her. Finally, Sarah learned that the key to reducing stress during exams was to take a proactive approach by setting up a study schedule, practicing relaxation techniques, and staying organized and prepared. She was able to overcome her fear and perform at her best. And now she's sharing her story with others in the hopes that they too can conquer their exam anxiety and achieve their goals.